From the moment you walk through our doors, you'll know this isn't your typical medical clinic. Whether you're a seasoned athlete, a weekend warrior dealing with ongoing pain, or taking your first step on the journey toward better health, our multi-specialty team is here to meet you where you are and guide you every step of the way. At Central Ohio Spine and Joint, we combine evidence-based treatment, advanced technology, and a fully integrated rehab and strength model, all designed to help you move better, feel better, and get back to doing what you love. After treating more than 10,000 patients here at Central Ohio Spine and Joint, one thing is clear. Lasting results don't come from quick fixes, they come from following a proven process. That's why we use a 3-step approach we've developed and refined over years of hands-on experience to help you recover faster and stay better longer. In a world where too many doctors rush through appointments and don't take the time to truly listen, we do things differently. At Central Ohio Spine and Joint, your story matters. We take the time to understand your condition, your goals, and what's really driving your pain or limitations. We also believe better information leads to better outcomes. That's why we use advanced tools like 3D motion capture, shockwave tissue tolerance testing, and eye-driven movement analysis to pinpoint the problem and build a treatment plan that's tailored to you. When it comes to getting lasting results, we don't guess. Instead, we follow a proven system. The system contains a detailed 3-step process: repair, retrain, reinforce. This approach is designed to not only get you out of pain, but to help you stay better longer. First, we start with the repair phase. This phase is all about reducing pain, calming inflammation, and restoring mobility. Depending on your condition, this may include chiropractic adjustments, dry needling, focused shockwave therapy, and soft tissue work, all designed to create a window of opportunity for long-term change. Once pain is under control, we move into the retrain phase. This is where we correct faulty movement patterns and rebuild control, so the same issues don't come right back. You'll work one-on-one with our team using corrective exercises, motor control drills, and advanced motion analysis to retrain how your body moves and functions. Finally, we reinforce. This is where real transformation happens through progressive strength training, movement, and resilience building. Whether you're training one-on-one with a coach, joining a small group session, or following a custom home program, our goal is to help you build a body that supports your goals and your lifestyle. We've helped thousands of people right here in Westerville move better, feel better, and regain control of their health. From active professionals and parents to retirees and weekend warriors, our system works because it's built around you. Whether you're trying to avoid surgery, get out of chronic pain, or simply get strong again, you don't have to figure it out alone. If you already have your first appointment scheduled, welcome. You've taken the most important step, deciding to take back control of your health. Now, we're asking for your commitment, not just to the appointment, but to the process. Because lasting results don't happen in a single visit. They happen when we work together with clarity, consistency, and a plan. We're excited to meet you, and we're here to guide you every step of the way.